Hello, friends. I hope you're doing well. I'm back with a new painting today. I always start by sketching with my pen first, and then I move on to watercolor. My pen is waterproof, and the tip size is 0.7. The paper I'm using is 300 GSM rough watercolor paper. I really love the texture of this paper. It feels perfect for urban sketching. When I sketch, I like to hold my pen loosely in the middle so my lines look shaky and back and forth. I also leave out unnecessary details so the drawing doesn't get too busy or complicated. Now, let's get into watercolor. The whole process today is simple. I put down the first wash, and once it's dry, I go in with the next layer. I don't usually build up too many layers. I focus more on shadows and creating a sense of depth. So I keep repeating the washes in shadow areas until I reach the darkness and contrast I want. After everything is fully dry, I go back with my dip pen to make some of the faded lines darker and to add more contrast to the sketch. Once the ink is dry, I move on to white gouache. I used to work with a white gel pen, but it didn't really give me the highlights I wanted. So I switched to gouache, and I'm so happy with it. I use it thick and opaque to bring out the window frames and some highlights. I also add little bright spots here and there to balance out the darker ink lines with lighter areas. And that's it, my painting is finished. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this sketch, I think you'll like this one too. I'd be really happy if you give it a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel. Wishing you all the best, stay creative and inspired,